Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Leap Wallet. First, you will need to download the Leap Wallet extension for your browser or the mobile application for your phone. Once installed, open it and choose to create a new wallet. You will be given a secret recovery phrase, typically consisting of 12 or 24 words. Write this down and store it in a very safe, private place. Finally, create a strong password to encrypt your wallet for everyday use. Now that your wallet is set up, let's add some funds. From the main screen of your Leap Wallet, simply click on the Receive button. This will display your unique wallet address and a QR code. You can either copy this address or use the QR code to send assets from another cryptocurrency exchange or a different wallet. Remember, always double-check the address before confirming any transfer to ensure your funds arrive safely. Sending assets from your Leap Wallet is just as straightforward. On your wallet's home page, tap the Send button. You will then enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount you wish to send. Always review all transaction details carefully before approving. Additionally, Leap Wallet offers a convenient in-wallet swap feature, allowing you to easily exchange tokens across more than 50 supported blockchain networks without leaving the application. Leap Wallet offers more than just basic transactions. You can stake your tokens directly within the wallet to earn rewards across numerous Cosmos SDK chains, often with one-click claiming. It also features an integrated DApp browser, enabling seamless interaction with various decentralized applications. For enhanced security, consider connecting a Ledger hardware wallet or activating two-factor authentication. These measures provide an additional layer of protection for your digital assets, keeping them more secure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.